Hello everyone. Warning, I am Trent here. And warning everyone, jeffyhater64 is trying to kill all my friends. And we trying to stop him from other dangerous and a problem. As we try to report them, it doesn't work. We need all the people to private or tell them to stop immediately, or else what's gonna happen? It could happen bullying, everything. So hurry up best you can to stop him, or else everything get worse and worse and cause a lot of YouTubers to delete their YouTube channels or private. And we have to get some more information what he's going to do. Bye.